Hello, potential investors. I made a financial analysis of Sioen Industries. This should convince you whether or not to invest. First, I'm going to talk about Sioen itself. Furthermore, the financial analysis with the share information and the calculated ratios. And lastly, the conclusion. Sioen Industries. It's a limited liability company based in Ardooien. Sioen is the world market leader in coated technical textiles, and their vision is to shape the future of those technical textiles. Sioen is based in 17 different countries and has 45 different plants. Next will be the financial analysis. I'll start with the ratios. I constantly calculated the ratios of the previous 3 years, namely 2015, 2016 and 2017. So I will start with the liquidity of the company, more specific the current ratio. As you can see on the graph, the three results are bigger than 1, which means that, for example, in 2015, Sioen is able to pay back 2.24 times the short-term liabilities with their current assets. This is a good number. All three are actually good numbers. There is also a little decrease in 2017, but this is due to many investments Sioen made that year. Furthermore, we have the supply rotation of purchased supplies. The rotation in 2015 and 2016 are almost the same, and in 2017 we notice a raise. The rotation in 2017 is 14.2. This means that the company's stock has been sold 14 times that year. Second, I'll discuss the solvency and more specific the general debt ratio. The numbers are percentages. In 2015 the percentage is 83. This is actually too much. The others are good. Next, the financial independence. This is related to the general debt ratio. When a company fails, there is still a buffer of 19%, for example, for 2015, to guarantee the repayment. This means that Sioen has more debts than capital in the enterprise. This little problem solves itself in the next 2 years. The last ratios are those from the profitability. The main goal of an enterprise is of course making profit. The result of 2017 is a real eye-catcher here, due to the many big investments they did in 2017. This is also the reason of some deviations in the previous ratio calculations. The GVA shows the added value of the enterprise. To add value as a company, you have to treat the product. Sioen absolutely does by making coated technical textiles and technical apparel. You can also notice the very large number of GVAs. This because of Sioen being market leader. Last, a bit more information about the shares. The company has in total 19,779,933 shares. 65% is owned by the Sioen family and approximate 35% is for the public. The price of the shares is now 23.9 euros. This is relatively low. As you can notice, the chart fluctuates but remains stable in the last part. If we compare it to the year 2017, the lowest reach of the stock was there 25.5 and the highest 32.37. Now the price for one share is 23.9, so this means it is now an ideal time to buy shares of Sioen Industries, hoping on raises later on. So, would I invest in Sioen Industries? Yes, I would. Sioen is namely the market leader of coated textiles and is based worldwide. It made recently big investments, so potential is within sight. Protection through innovation.